I'm going with it. Yo, is it?
Hey y'all, so it's a new morning. It's Thursday, and I woke up not too long ago. We went out to eat breakfast because they provide breakfast at this hotel, and now I'm just drinking this bland ass coffee. What happened?
I just take my vitamins too.
I always forget. I took up so many sugars, and this coffee is still bitter.
You said you took what?
I brought up so many sugars, and this coffee is still.
So better?
Yeah.
I can't drink. That's why I can't.
That's why I hate this coffee.
Mm-hmm.
There's some sugar packets in here, though, luckily. Then I threw the damn stir out.
I'm just gonna do something right now. Oh yeah, take my vitamin. I'm back. 2 for each day.
Oops, sorry. I have some B12 in my purse that I need to take because I'm gonna need this energy to get lit. Sugar.
It's like a multi.
Is this sugar? Okay. Yeah, I have multivitamins too, but it's in this big ass jar, so I forgot to take it.
Yep, that's why I took it out.
I always have B12 in my bag though.
You put it in the plastic one.
Because,
Oh, you vlogging?
yeah, I be running out of energy. Oh, there's a stir in here.
Oh, look at that. I was just waiting for you.
Mm-hmm. That's why I don't like this coffee. That's why I never get it at Stacks. Hey, to the vlog, yeah. Yo, I hate editing videos.
It didn't take long. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all.
Because I have my MacBook since I had it for years now, and I need to get a new one.
Oh, I see.
And it gets like when I'm editing on it, it gets like the fan comes on because I'm editing for so long, and then
So
it gets
overheated.
hot. Yeah, and I'm just like, I need a new computer. Sometimes I use my iPad, but it doesn't have all this stuff on it. Okay, this is better. This is better. What did Izzy say?
She said it was great. The beach is so beautiful.
Yo, people low-key be watching these vlogs. Like, as soon as you put Caribbean or spring break, people are always watching them. Like, because I don't tell anyone about my YouTube channel. But I did a vlog when I was in Jamaica this summer.
You actually tell me so I can subscribe to you.
Okay. But yeah, I did it, and people were watching it. I'm like, wow.
Girl, you better get your money.
I didn't know people were gonna watch it. I just do them for fun.
What's your
My YouTube? It's what, Tori Aaliyah?
How you spell it? Yeah, I don't know if people spell it.
2 A's.
Tori. Who the hell is Tori Aaliyah?
I never knew.
Yeah?
That one, yeah.
I don't have nobody's middle fingers. This is cute. Oh, since I have makeup done.
Girl, you know it. I'm going to Jamaica. There's people to judge the crap out of me.
I'm about to go get some
She said, y'all are not about to get me.
This little girl is freaking starving and I need something to eat. I don't really like Dunkin' Donuts like that.
I did a story time with my roommates too.
Really?
For freshman year, that got a lot of views too. But y'all, whoever is watching, These two men drove us down last night.
Yo! I'm telling you, I felt so uncomfortable. Like, man, y'all have to do better.
They do. I was just like, minding my business walking. And I hear the music. And I'm noticing the music keeps following me. And I'm like, oh, who's playing this music? I look over and see two men in this big ass blue van. And they're driving like this. And I'm like, Mia, don't even look at them. Yeah. Don't even look at them because that's going to stir them up.
When I tell you, I did not even notice them. I was like...
Listen, I heard the music from like 2 blocks up. So they've been following us for like 2 blocks. And then we were walking. I'm like, you know what? I don't even want to turn down the street because it wasn't a lot of people on the street.
No, it wasn't.
So I was like, I don't want to turn down there, and then they turn too. So we were walking to that bar, right? Remember? Mm-hmm. And the guy was like, oh, IDs. I'm like, okay, they're gone. Never mind.
Yeah, it's like, that was scary. I'm not gonna lie, that was scary. Y'all, guys, men, whoever, y'all really have to do better.
Be careful, y'all, on spring break in Miami or wherever y'all go. Because, like, we're not used to Miami, and it's like, thank God it was a lot of people on the stretch. Yes. Because that is weird as hell, yo.
And then this guy stared Tori down for like 5 minutes.
I don't know what these people are on spring break. Yeah. I don't know what type of drugs they're on.
Something. I'm telling you.
Listen, we went to this club. What's it called? Voodoo?
Yeah.
Voodoo Lounge on Ocean Drive. And it was like... It wasn't a crazy party where people were just getting lit. Like, but it was just these 2 girls. I don't know what they were on.
Yo, sis had her whole vagina out dancing, and I was flabbergasted.
you know them. It's like, it's always that one couple that go to the parties. Remember when we went to River House?
Girl.
And them girls are doing, it's always those 2 girls or that one couple that dance to every single song.
Always. And it's always a slow dance.
Yes.
I'm like,
always a slow dance to a rap song or a slow dance to, I'm just like,
I'm like, y'all need to stop. This is not a slow dance song.
Girl. It was a funny night, I will say. Miami's lit. So.
It is. Yo, and then today we're going to the beach.
But it's cold though.
Yes, last night was chilly. It was chilly.
It was so chilly, guys. Like, it was manageable, but at the same time, I wasn't looking forward to it. But
yes.
Yeah.
It was still fun though. First night though.
First night, I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear today.
True. I'm trying to think what bathing suit I want to wear. I'm like, do I want to wear a one piece? I don't wear my bikini.
It's not even that warm out, so I don't want to be doing.
We're not going out till like 12.
Yeah, because it's like, 60 something degrees right now, and it's a little windy. So I'm not about to be out in that. We probably can go like 12, 12:30. Because I feel like more people would be on the beach than anyways.
True.
As opposed to 10 o'clock. But yes, we stayed at the Hyatt place for y'all that want to know. It's like a 20-minute drive from Miami Beach.
Yes.
Which is like, it has its pros and cons. It's like, you have to pay for Uber. You know, I feel like Uber is what you're going to spend on.
A lot,
if you do it this way. Because we haven't spent that much on food.
Our breakfast has free breakfast. Yeah. Our hotel has free breakfast.
Right. And then we had pizza yesterday at, what's it called?
Pizza Pastato or something.
I'll insert it if I can find it.
It was really good.
It was good. It was like, I had a slice for $7.50, the Hawaiian slice. It was like a huge pizza. Like, you got 4 slices in this cute box. You got the cheese one. Yours came to like 5 something.
Yeah, mine was $5.40.
Yeah, so it's really inexpensive. Then we went to Fat Tuesdays, bought this drink that we had to finish in there.
Girl, with no food.
Right. I think we're gonna go today again though, low key. We should. I feel like more people, but we need to go in there, see if it's a lot of people in there.
Come out.
And if it's not, we need to leave and be like, okay, we'll come back once the crowd comes. Because other than that, it's boring because you have to stay in there and finish it. Or I'm gonna be walking with my backpack today because I saw this girl in a vlog. She was like, I can't drink all of this. I'm putting it in my bag. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it right in my backpack.
See, my backpack is smaller. That's
it should fit, though. If you get the bottle instead of the 16 ounce, some come in a bottle.
That's true. That's true. I wonder if I wish I had like a small water bottle. I would try to fit it in there. I think that's a good idea to keep like a little small.
The thing is, they might see you pouring it in.
Oh, true.
You know? They're going to be like, what the hell? So I think I'm going to just get the bottle there. Have the bottle already. Drink some. And I'm putting it in my bag. What you going to do? Chase me down the block for a drink?
And we running.
And I'm running. Because I'll...
Girl, about to run.
I can run.
Facts.
I can run. So try me if you want to. But yeah, we should go today. But yeah. Doral, we're staying in Doral. I guess it's a part of Miami. They call it Doral or Miami. I guess it's one of those little parts where it's like part, you know.
It's nice though.
Yeah, it's nice.
Our hotel
and it's a lot of stuff. There's a Taco Bell right there too.
Yeah.
And
Burger
King, a Boston Market. It's a Mexican place too.
Tex-Mex. I want to try it.
So I think it's just Uber that's really the part where, but we split it, so it's not that bad.
That's true.
And then, yeah, Miami Beach is 20 minutes away by driving.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would rather spend money on Uber than spending more money on a hotel room that's not that good, but it's still close to the beach.
Because I was on Priceline and I was looking at them and they were mad expensive, or they fit the price range, but it didn't have amenities. Like it didn't have we have like 2 double beds. Most of them didn't have 2 double beds. They didn't have this couch area. It was just a room, you know, you just go in, it was 1 bed, that's it. So they didn't have all that. They didn't have free breakfast. I didn't know that. I wasn't sure if this one had free breakfast or not. But those ones definitely didn't. So I was just... And then it still added up to more money. And I was just like, I don't know. I want to at least be comfortable here. So...
And it's nice.
Yeah. And this one's close to the airport, so and it has free shuttle, so that works out for us. Like yesterday, we didn't have to pay for Uber to the hotel, and when we're going back, we don't have to pay to go back to the airport. So it worked out like that. I like it so far. But yeah, that's enough filming for now. I'm gonna see y'all later. So you guys, I just finished doing my makeup and like, look at this lighting. I love this lighting. I'm wearing Bianca by ColourPop and eyeshadow, I don't remember. Anyways, we're about to go to the beach. Me and Mia, she in her bikini, she ready.
Hey y'all.
I got my bikini underneath, which I got from H&M for $5. A steal. But anyways, I just have on a dress over it, some regular flip-flops. I don't know if y'all saw that. And yeah, we're just about to leave. Outside still looks a bit windy, but not as much as earlier. So I think we should be all right now going. And at least the sun is kind of out. It's a little bit cloudy, but At least it won't be extremely hot because I have makeup on because I want to take pictures and stuff. Go eat something. So yeah, we're about to do that. I'll take y'all with me. It's so, they really gave them a whole section for real though, now that I think about it.
They already know.
Yo, we here and it's mad crowded. I don't even want to go up there because I'm just like, there's so much people there standing. I'm just like, what do I do? Just go up there and stand with them? And it's still windy. So I don't even know if I want to go into the water.
Girl, the water's so blue and pretty though. Can we just go to the water and take a picture?
Yes, let's do that. So we're gonna go take some pictures at the water. See how that turns out. Mia, say hey to the vlog.
Hello.
Yeah, we about to walk to this Wells Fargo because I need some more cash. And oh, I thought that said Dollar Tree. I was going to be in there. Oh, that's the restaurant we went to that we mentioned.
Oh,
Pizza. Rustica? Something like that. I don't know.
One of them.
Yeah. Oh, there's a 7-Eleven. Maybe there's a bathroom in there.
Yeah.
Or a Subway. Oh, that's the Subway we saw that day. He was like, oh, I don't want no Subway. Oh, this is where we're at. Also, this is
what you call it? Right down the
oh, this is 9th Street.
What is that? The one something Tuesday, Fat Tuesday.
Yeah, and H&M is at that one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's our late.
H&M might have one too.
Yo, I keep getting so distracted.
Girl.
I don't want to buy. I have to buy more. Girl, just ask. It doesn't look like it though. I will say. No. You wanna let's just go to H&M.
Let's cross right here.
You wanna cross? Oh. Oh, let's make this quick. Somebody need to help her ass because she got 4 seconds. Well, I'm sure they're not gonna run. Oh, okay, she almost there. All right. Planet Sushi. Let's see if there's Subway is always so tiny.
Yeah.
They might say you have to buy something though. I feel like H&M you can get away with it. What is this? A bar and stuff? Yo, it is getting so windy again. I'm tired of this windy thing. Like Miami, I came here for warm, 80 degree and up weather.
And VA is cold as hell.
Girl. And you know, as soon as we get back, it's gonna snow. As soon as we get back, it's gonna be like
Girl,
snow.
I'm over it.
And
Over it.
I don't know how I'm gonna manage. I don't know, y'all. They're cute. Oh, it's a lot of stuff up here. Hello, y'all. So I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog much earlier today, but it is now it's 10:45 and we're about to go out, probably go to a club or something. Initially, I did not want to go because I'm so tired, but I'm just like, it's Thursday, we leave on Sunday, and I feel like we're gonna regret it. So we're like, I was just like, let's go. So Mia doing her makeup in the back.
Almost ready, y'all.
Yup.
We almost ready.
So, strawberry Ritas, they're really good. It's like 8% alcohol. So what we're gonna do is fill them in these to-go cups because we went to this restaurant earlier. I didn't record though. It's called Chewy's, I think. I'll insert it, but it was so good. They had tacos, it was cheese, and the lady gave us some water cups. So we were like, you know what, let's put some drinks in it and bring it so we can save our money. Like, I have on this romper that I got a while back. I don't even remember where. Some slippers and my jeans jacket because as usual it's windy and freezing here. Mia, tell them what you got on.
I don't remember where I got this dress either. It's like running dress and then some Vans.
Yep, and that's what we're doing. Our makeup is already done because we did it like earlier today when we were gonna go to the beach and take pictures. So all we had to do was take a shower and put our clothes on, and now we're about to be out the door because some clubs do free before 12, so we're trying to get that. And yeah, I'll probably try to take y'all with me.